Hello, my name is Mario Timpenaro. I am the manager of the Lumen Vietnam Fund, the first UCITS fund worldwide. I want to take this opportunity to give you an update on the first half year of 2024. Well, it was a challenging time with light and shadow. We had some issues on the political side, but also in the market. But thanks God, the market recovers very well and quickly. The tourism sector grew very well during the first 6 months and achieved the pre-COVID level. And this is good for the country as it helps also to domestic consumption. And nevertheless, we saw during April, May, the PMI recover above 50, which signed last month in June, 54.7%, which is also my perception that it goes in the right direction. And also the export grew very good after the lack last year. It grew by 14.5% in the first 6 months, 2024. Due to the weaker Vietnamese dong against US dollar, we saw slightly rising the inflation. The reason for that fact is that in Vietnam we have historically low interest rates, and in the USA high interest rates. Now for the government it's a balance act to help the economy growing and the other side protect people from higher inflation. On our point of view, a good solution for this phenomena would be to hike the interest rates by 50 or 100 basis points during the next few months. This is not dramatic, as I mentioned. Vietnam has lower interest rates. The interest rates for deposit in a bank is 4.5%. Let me spend a few words about the residential sector, which is since the beginning of the year a bit struggling. I think the most important thing is the new law, which will take in place August 1st, to give the stimulus to its industry. So we strongly believe that as of Q4 2024 and the first half of 2025 will give this sector a new push, a new swing. In general, we see a very good developing economy in Vietnam and also the stock market. We're looking forward to traveling with you the next 6 months of 2024. Finally, on behalf of the entire Vietnamese team, I would take the opportunity to thank you for your trust in us. Thank you.